Hi everyone, today we are talking about live video streaming. When it comes to live video streaming, I believe that most people are familiar with it. Live video streaming is applied to various live things, like live entertainment, online game, online meetings, and online education. They are all developing towards information and the promotion of live streaming technology. A typical example, during the coronavirus, many schools use live streaming applications to teach online. Teachers can also interact with students in real time on the internet, which improves teaching quality and student learning efficiency. So, what is live video streaming? Why did it suddenly appear and quietly become popular? How to implement the process of it? Today, through this video, let us show you the story behind the live video streaming.
皆さん、こんばんは。Hello everyone. So, what is live video? From the perspective of performance forms, live video includes live concerts, live sports events, live press conference, personal performances, academic exchanges, technique training, etc. In terms of playback, the server transmits the video to the network for real-time playback after receiving the user's watching request. Therefore, as long as the user has a device that can surf the internet, no matter where, can enjoy the programs in time. As for technical implementation, live streaming uses real-time streaming tech. This kind of technology can ensure that the bandwidth of the media signal matches the network connection in real time, so that the audience can watch programs in real time. Because of its characteristics, real-time streaming transmission technology is very suitable for synchronous broadcasting of live events. It also supports random access, which means that users can fast forward and rewind to view previous content. From the definition of live video, it can be seen that the audience viewing experience is very important. It is dominated by two key factors, protocol and module. As for protocol, there are two important streaming protocols involved in live broadcast, RTMP and HLS. Live video module is divided into recording end, playing end, and server end. Real-time message protocol is an application layer protocol proposed by Adobe, which is mainly used to solve problems of multiplexing and subcontracting of multimedia data transmission streams. HTTP live streaming is an HTTP-based streaming media network transport protocol proposed by Apple, which is mainly used for audio and video services of PC and Apple terminals. Okay, let's move to module. The recording end is generally composed of camera and microphone of computers or smartphones, and currently mainly uses mobile phone. The playing end can be a player on devices or an H5 page. The server side is usually a new game server, which is used to accept the video source provided by recording side and provide the streaming service for the playing side. After roughly understanding live video streaming, let's take a look at its evolution from past to present. The origin of live video streaming is real-time streaming in streaming technology. Streaming originated in the narrow-band internet era. The main stage of development is from 1992 to the present, which has passed for 28 years. In April 1995, Real Networks in Seattle developed real audio system streaming technology software to attract customers. This is the first time that streaming has made its debut on the internet. After that, Real Networks releases Real Player. Thus, Real Networks can be called the ancestor of streaming media. In 2007, Justin TV began to explore the live games. Live videos became popular on YouTube in 2012. At the end of 2015, Facebook opened the online live streaming function, as well as Douyu TV and other services began to rise in China. Over the next few years, video streaming began to expand from computers to mobile phone. Its problems have gradually attracted the attention of researchers. Buffering and color blocks have always been technical difficulties in this field. Once this problem appears, it will affect the audience watching experience. MIT CSERL lab proposed a neural network AI algorithm to alleviate this negative phenomenon. Real networks developed a new generation of multi-format real-time coding solutions. This solution enables video to maintain HD quality through exclusive Real Media HD codec. Secondly, it is cost-effective. Thirdly, it adopts short-distance dynamic frame reference scheme. Finally, it also has outstanding performance in stability and copyright privacy protection.
The implementation of live video is mainly divided into 5 processes: acquisition, processing, encoding, streaming, and distribution. Let me show you the details. Acquisition is the first step. It gets original video data from the system acquisition equipment and then inputs it into the next link. Video collection involves both audio and image data. Okay, audio first. We use the equipment to collect the sound analog signals in the current environment into PCM encoded raw data. Then the data is compressed into MP3 or AAC formats for distribution. The main parameters involved in the process are sampling rate, bit width, channels, and frames. These parameters affect the size and quality of audio. By the way, audio acquisition is mainly faced with challenges such as delay or stutter sensitivity, noise cancellation, and echo cancellation. The combination of audio and image constitutes a complete video. Image acquisition uses the cameras to shoot real-time scenes on the spot into YUV encoded raw data, and then encapsulates the data into MP4 and other related formats for distribution. During this process, the main technical parameters, including transmission format, image format, transmission channel, resolution, and sampling frequency, indirectly determine color and quality of the whole video. Image acquisition is also difficult due to poor equipment compatibility, delays, and stalls. It is not enough just to collect content. Different collection methods have a great influence on the presentation of live video. The most common collection method in social live streaming is camera. A simple example, in live video, professional photographers use equipment to record the situation on the spot and broadcast it in real time. The second method is screen recording that is popular in live games and educational lectures. The anchor finishes live streaming tasks by recording the computer desktop. Finally, online radio and TV shows often use recorded video files as live content push. After acquisition, in order to enhance the on-site effect or add extra special effects, we also need to process raw data before encoding and compression. Now, beauty is an essential function in pan-entertainment live video. Professionally, beauty is to denoise or blur images. Means blurring, Gaussian blurring, and medium flattering denoising algorithms can effectively beautify images in the video. On this basis, face recognition and skin detection tags must also be applied to ensure that facial features are not filtered. Sometimes it is necessary to obfuscate the sound to make it richer, and there are watermarks and filters, which have to be processed before encoding and compression. The beautified video data takes up a lot of storage and a large amount of bandwidth for transmission. For example, a 7-second ultra-clear video will occupy more than 800 megabytes of storage, and the transmission time is as long as 10 minutes. Such a huge file is difficult to transfer, not to mention a live streaming with low latency. Therefore, coding is very important. The performance, speed, and compression ratio of coding will directly affect the user experience and transmission cost in the entire transmission. Coding removes a lot of redundancy in the video to compress the video. Video files compressed by AVC are usually very small in size with a high compression ratio, which meets the needs of real-time transmission. At last, multimedia content generated by the encoder is packaged in FLV or MPEG format. So, how can this encapsulated data travel through the internet smoothly? At this point, we need to apply some specific streaming protocols. Traditional streaming protocols include RTMP and RTSP, while today's HTTP-based adaptive streaming protocols include HLS and MPEG-. This kind of protocol supports adaptive streaming, which means that they can adjust the quality of the transmitted video stream by detecting the user's bandwidth and CPU usage in real time. In this way, a live video stream will be divided into multiple streams of different bit rates, size, and formats, and then delivered to users around the world through different streaming protocols. Okay, streaming data we push out is distributed to audience through the transmission network, which is also the last step in the whole process of live video streaming. The birth of content distribution network has fundamentally achieved the non-congestion distribution. The traditional CDN adopts the tree-like network topology, which can reduce the cost of CDN. However, the storage of live video is basically released in real time, so rarely involves cake. In order to get rid of the limited link routing lines and meet the need of CDN nodes, companies established a peer-to-peer network based on mesh network structure, completing the expansion of the CDN. Okay, the network transmission of live video streaming is over.
Under the previous introduction, do you now understand what is live video streaming? So, what exactly makes live video a mainstream video technology in just a few years? Actually, because of its necessity. Before it appeared, there were several obvious flaws in the video playback method. First of all, based on hardware, the requirements for resolution of previous video capture devices have been reduced, and real-time video capture devices can capture higher definition video signals in real time, such as 4K, 8K, or even higher resolutions. Secondly, based on the coding, previous video coding schemes have poor compression ratio when they face large amount of data, resulting in slow transmission speed and other problems. While live video is transmitted in the form of a binary byte stream, its coding scheme can carry more video stream information and can also balance the indicators such as clarity, fluency, and sound quality. Thirdly, previous video technologies supported a single type of devices. There are many hardware devices to receive live streaming, such as TV, computer, mobile phone, and so on. But different hardware has different decoding ability. For example, it is obvious that the decoding ability of computer is stronger than that of mobile phone. Besides, a conversation protocol is needed to convert the video byte stream to different formats in order to adapt to different hardware devices. Finally, distribution issues also severely affect users' viewing experience. When there is no streaming technology, the network bandwidth is limited. So, people spend a lot of time waiting for the video file transfer to complete before watching. In the future, the large-scale commercialization of 5G will surely further promote the subversive development of live video streaming. In addition to live social networking and online education, this technology will also be used in many industries and application scenarios such as gaming, finance, and healthcare. That's all. Thanks for watching our video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.